I'm telling you, that's not good. That's a waste of this house. What do you think it was worth? Does it make more sense for you to just clean it out? I work with a ton of buyers, sellers, investors that are outside of our geographic area. We had a situation here with a buyer. He travels across the country. He now is the seller. He was the buyer of the property who's then looking to sell. He went there with the understanding that this would be a great Airbnb. But at the end of the day, it didn't fit the criteria of what someone would look for an Airbnb currently in Rhode Island. It was my job when I was there, again with confidence, to let him know what's his best exit strategy, what is the work he should put into it, and what is this property worth when it's done. That's your central air. It's coming out of those. It's not a regular, no, they got the small tubes. I mean, gas, hot water, your oil, heat. Boiler's good. That's all asbestos. No, it's not. It's fiberglass. You're good there too. What did you think it was worth when you bought it? What did you think it was worth?
Holding it, turning it into like an Airbnb.
You don't want that. Get rid of it. This ain't the one. We can just flip this and find another Airbnb. We could clean everything out, put it back on the market. You make 100 change quick, right? But it's gonna be expensive to do. There's a lot of space in here. It's advising that out-of-towner, that out-of-state client, how to make this property be as profitable and get them to the finish line. Guys, if you're an investor, you're out of town, you don't really know the market, you bought something sight unseen, you own multifamilies, you've got a package, reach out and let me look at it. I'll give you an actual value on what this thing is worth. And I think that is what it's all about. Need someone you can trust, need someone you can rely on.